Hi, I'm Jenille with Sticker Mama, and welcome to my channel. I'm a wife, a mother, a planner, an organizer, and an EC lover. So let's get started. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this week's plan with me. I've got all my supplies here, my kit, I've got my duo, I got a stencil, I have this EC Lux pad where I put everything down. I pre-plan for the week since the duo doesn't have. Down here, I keep track of all my kids' working schedules. So this is how I go ahead and plan out the week and I keep it up on my desk. It sits up nicely. It's again called the Lux Weekly Schedule Pad. I'll have the link below for those of you that want to go ahead and grab that off of EC's website. I love that it's hard cardboard, so it sits up nicely on my desk, and it's easy for a week, like I said, at a glance, and then that way I can keep my planner open to the day. All right, so this is the kit I'm going to be using, kit 3024. Has the calendar boxes, it's got some narrow washi, it's got the date and day strips, it's got the large boxes with some timed stickers, some to-dos, some nice timed arrows, some mini washis that are short, covered like headers, another timed, and then we have this weekend banner, some water tracking, some deco, lots of planner words, and some more deco. So all this will be listed down below. I'm going to try something new this week. I'm going to try to stretch this out for 2 weeks. So the first week I'll be using the day strips, and then the second week I'll just be using the mini washi strips at the top for some decoration. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to start off here and place this nicely down. Put the date down. Even though these are my stickers from my shop, I still like to be frugal myself, and I think about how my customers want to save money as well. So I try to think of things to do to my kits or to my layouts where possibly we can save money. That's why I was like, you know what, this week I think I'm going to do 2 weeks. So this top box that takes care of the calendar, I am going to do every other day. I don't mind the calendar on there. I don't necessarily need it for every day, but most of the time my planner is laid open. So if I can have a glance at least one day per 2-page spread of the calendar, I'm okay with that. So I'm going to cover up Monday, and then on Tuesday, I'm going to leave the box open. So I'll show you that. And what I do, I normally highlight the week we're in and also circle the date. All right, so place the bottom box. Again, next week, I won't have enough bottom boxes, so I will do something different in that too. All right, so we got okay, I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video some, and then I'll see you soon. over here. So you can see I've got my water. The only thing I have left to do is I always put the weather at the top. All right, so now I'll get into the second week. And what I was thinking of doing is I'm going to put these narrow washi strips at the top. And they come in two coordinating colors each. So I like to have the top match on my open spread for whatever reason. So it is going to cover up on some of the days, and the date at the top, it'll cover up some of them. Just see how this Monday gets covered a little bit. So what I think I'm going to do, I don't care for the 6 o'clock hour. I don't have anything going on. I normally put my routine up there. So what I'm going to do is just put it just slightly below the date there, which, like I said, it just goes into the box a little bit for the 6 o'clock hour. I don't know if you can see that, but just a tad bit. And a few of the dates and days, like I said, that they dip down a little bit in the date with this font. So, all right, so these little mini guys, I thought I'm going to put here in the bottom box since I used all the boxes for the last one. I'm going to stick these guys here. And then I thought I'd add a deco on the bottom. Okay, so I kind of have that set up. I calendars, I have 3 calendars left, so I can use one on each spread, double page spread. So on this one, I'm going to keep open. So I'm going to circle the date and I'm going to highlight it. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video once more, and I'll check back with you in a second. Okay, so here's one of the font numbers. I was telling you about this 13, the number 3, it dips down some. So when I do that, again, it doesn't bother me a little bit, except it's going to go into my calendar. I don't mind the 6 o'clock, but it's going to take a little bit. So I'm just going to work it here so I can mount it to get this all in here. But that darn 3, it's a different font and it dips in there. All right, so I have that. So I think what I'm going to do because of that, I'm going to use the calendar box on Wednesday. I normally on my left, I sometimes switch off, but sometimes the left side will have the calendar, sometimes the right one won't. So on this one, I'll go ahead and cover up Wednesday's calendar since it already dips down there a little bit. Just make sure it doesn't cover up my to-dos. All right. All right, so let me go ahead and do my total flip through of 2 full weeks with 1 kit. So here is my first week. And then into the second week. So I do need to add some of my planner words down. I have all of these timed planner boxes still and some circles and other little, some more small washi, the narrow ones, and then arrows, timed boxes. I got these here and some more here. So this is what I have left as far as, oh, and I have these dates. So I may even think about putting the dates over the top of the planner up here just to add um, a little bit since I already have them. And also for when the washi covers it just slightly, they're a little bit smaller, which I actually may make these just a tad bit bigger on my next kits that I make, but because that might bother me. But if you just put it right, it'll be all right. So just a little bit. All right. So I think I'll go ahead and add it since that, see how the 5 dips down? So part of the washi wants to cover that. And now if I put this up here, then I wouldn't have to worry about it. I would just be able to line it up right under the day like normal, and then it wouldn't matter. Oh, I'm gonna like that, I guess. Okay, finish up the rest of these days here. I'm gonna have everything linked below to my sticker shop. If you guys have any comments or things you would like to see in these kits that aren't available, please comment, like, subscribe, all those things. I'd love to hear your feedback. Um, and we'll talk soon. Until next time, thanks everybody. Have a great day.